Come on in. Thank you for joining me back at Worldwide Manuals. It has been a couple of months since we have given you guys any updates. I'm sure you are very interested in what we are doing, what cars we have, and what do we have planned for the next couple of months. With our new lives as car salesmen, car importers, car restoration people during this COVID-19 time. So how about I walk you around our shop, I show you what we have in inventory, show you what we have planned for the next couple of months, and then you guys can decide our next car in the comments below. So this is our newest acquisition. It is a 1985 BMW 318i. So I got this car from San Jose, California. I actually purchased it from eBay. The seller said it ran and drove fine. Actually doesn't run and drive at all. It runs a little bit, but it idles extremely terribly. And in order to get it to go anywhere, you have to keep revs around 2,000. So you have to basically drive by clutch. So I drove it around the parking lot a couple of times, but other than that, really not much here. It says it's got 101 horsepower, but it might have 1.1 horsepower right now. So interior is pretty garbage. It smells bad, it looks bad. It's really not that nice of a car altogether, but we have big plans for this one. So it suits our need just fine. Since it's a California clean car, well, it doesn't have any rust underneath. So that is exactly what we needed, a nice, strong chassis to work from. So coming in here, we had to say goodbye to our 2010 Special Edition STI, but what we got to replace it is a 1993 Nissan 300ZX. Very cool car, a GT car. It's got 222 horsepower. It's got T-tops, and it's got the key to my heart. I love this machine. I've been doing a little bit of work to it, some trim stuff. Needed new shifter bearings because the shifter in here had a lot of slop. So I took everything out, put new shifter bearings in it. Now it's much tighter. Back here, we have nice black JDM taillight lens. And so I got this from Z1motorsports.com. They specialize in Nissan and Z products. And so I got that and the shifter bushings actually shipped to me very quickly. Great service, I give them a thumbs up. Anyway, we really like this car. We will be doing a POV driving video. Zach and I will be doing a review for this car, and we will just be showing the benefits of a car like this, GT. Very long, very low, comfortable, lots of storage space, and it's just overall a very comfortable car. Over here, you know the deal. It's an '89 Kazi. This is our first import. This is our coolest car by far. I love this thing. I wish we never had to get rid of it, but we gotta pay the bills, gotta keep the lights on, gotta keep the videos coming for you loyal fans. So this Cosworth, it's got 204 horsepower. It's got a racy boy engine. This thing is a ripper. Come take a look. 2-liter, 16-valve, 4-cylinder, engineered by Cosworth with a Garrett T3 turbocharger. This thing is the best car that you can buy today, and I will bet my life on it. Quick, come here. Look at how quickly the weather can change here in Appalachian, New York. It is now pouring. You can see that on my car. I actually have the windows and the sunroof open. That is not a good thing at all. I will most likely, and it's done raining. And just like that, within a couple of minutes of us talking about it, it has actually dried, and now the interior of my car most likely is dry. I don't think it'll be wet in there at all. Not on the seats, not on the dash, not on anything. But other than that, please like and subscribe if you like this content. We are doing our best to bring you guys the best manual shifting content that we can. Go through those gears, go through our videos, like and subscribe.